We are so honored to have watched you guys grow together, become the wonderful people and couple that you are. You guys are a great team. You laugh, you cry, you share, you dream, you care for each other so much. You've got all the components for a strong, long-lasting marriage, and I'm sure it will be. We're all here to support you. We love you. And we're incredibly honored, Cody, to have you as a son-in-law. Emily, you'll always be my little girl. Cody, now you'll be my little boy.
Emily, you are my best friend, my one true love, and now my partner through life. I love so many things about you: your smile, your laugh, your kind heart, your beauty, your playfulness, your outgoing attitude. These things and many more have led me to wanting and needing to spend the rest of my life with you. I promise that I will never mean the rude things I say during Mario Kart. I vow to always be with you, good times and hard times. I vow to never hurt you, abandon you, or betray you. You are my everything and always will be. You make me the happiest I could ever be.
I've watched you guys grow up together. I watched him protect you for a long time. He was your spider killer in the basement and kept the bears away from you outside and walked you home and always made sure you were safe before he left. I'm just so proud of the both of you. You are a wonderful man, and I couldn't ask for a better husband for my daughter.
I'm so lucky to have met you so early in life. Some people spend a lifetime trying to find the person that just matches perfectly with their soul, but I never had to search. You have always been there, first as my friend, then as my confidant, and now into a great love. You're my best friend and the love of my life, and I choose you to be my partner in life today and every